name's Emma Hassell, and for my project, I want to talk about the relationship of crime and socioeconomics, or economics in Pakistan. So I'm going to be looking at the future of crime in Pakistan. We've learned in class about the partition of India in 1947 and Pakistan, and ever since then, Pakistan has never been a very stable country. We've learned that there are problems with education, employment, war, government, the army, and the Taliban, and much more. Any country will have problems, but I want to focus on one problem in particular. Violence and crime in Pakistan has been a problem and can be linked to economy or the socioeconomics of the country. This is a graph of crimes in Pakistan, and I found one that related to the crimes in the United States. And we can look at that and see just how much crime and violence is going on in Pakistan. In a study done by a group from the Arab Economic and Business Journal, 4 professors linked crime with the level of education and social and economic background of the individuals in the country. Their study also showed a positive relationship between crime rates and unemployment rates in Pakistan. So what does the future hold for Pakistan, and why should I care? Or why should you care? We need to care about the state of Pakistan because of our country's relationship as well as Pakistan's relationship with neighboring countries. In an article published by Homeland Security, author William Tucker stated that Pakistan is indispensable to the United States because they are a neighbor to Afghanistan. So obviously the United States has been involved with Afghanistan for a long time, and as a result they've been involved with Pakistan as well because they are in control of nuclear weapons, and the United States wants to make sure that they don't use them irresponsibly. So, as for some statistics that relate to the crime in Pakistan, as of 2017, the unemployment rate in Pakistan was about 4.04%. In 2016, the GDP in Pakistan was about 4.51%. Currently, the literacy rate in Pakistan is about 58%, and this is a decrease of 2% from the year before. According to research done by Our World in Data, in 2015, in Pakistan, about 38% of the people were uneducated. It is also projected by them that in 2030, about only 27% will be without education. This is positive, and the hope is that it will improve literacy rate in the country. As more people become educated, more jobs will open, and more people will be able to find jobs if they can read, and this in turn will improve the economy. I mentioned earlier that crime and social and economic status are linked, so this can lead us to conclude that as people become more educated and can find jobs, they will be less inclined to commit crimes. If Pakistan can fund more schools, then the hope is that the literacy rate will improve. If Pakistan and the government can do this, they will be setting up their country for future success. In recent years, however, the government has decreased the budget for education. As for the economy, we can learn from the World Bank that GDP growth has been stable since about 2010. As long as it stays stable, there should be an increase in the years to come. As you can see, crime and socioeconomics are linked. We can understand that if a person is uneducated and unemployed, they are more motivated to commit crimes so they can survive. The solution to this is, of course, education. If Pakistan can increase education and fund more schools, the future of Pakistan could be a more positive one with less crime and violence. If the government fails to recognize the importance of education, then Pakistan will experience a more negative future with more crime.